What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a little coffee run POV. Like I was saying before, I'm flying out to Germany again, so I have to like pump out a bunch of videos in 1 week. Oh my god. Nah, dude, this was the best choice. One of the best. Honestly, both these cars are the best freaking choices I've ever made. Like, what other cars would I need? I don't need anything else, bro. But pretty much, dude, like, honestly, I don't need any more cars. Obviously, I don't think anybody needs cars, but like I'm probably gonna be saying this in every single video now. If you guys have enough money to buy a Hellcat M5, or you guys like really want to buy a car, from my experience, try to invest your money somewhere else. Like cars, like what I would do if I could go back in time was I would invest into some kind of business, like real estate, something to do with real estate, or something to do with whatever kind of business, and with the write-offs, buy something. But even with the write-offs, still invest. So if you have enough money to buy a car like this, don't buy it, because it's not gonna be worth it at the end of the day. I just like, you know, I want you guys to enjoy these videos. These videos are gonna want to make you buy these cars, but try to invest your money somewhere else, like whether that's stocks or whether that's real estate. Real estate, I mean, everybody talks about it, right? Just starting is scary, and plus you need capital. But you know, real estate is known to man is one of the best ones, and I think, like, I forgot the percentage, but like I know that for a fact more than 50% of millionaires came from real estate or something like that. So real estate ain't no joke, bro. That's what I'm saying. Invest your money. Dude, why does it... dude, it looks so crazy. I love German cars. All right, boys, we got coffee. Well, it's kind of like... it's matcha, actually, but... yo, these freaking turbos are crazy. Turbos are crazy. Holy. Dude, right now it's actually finally getting hot in LA. It's been cold for like the past like 4 months, dude. Yo, that's... people hate me here, bro. Definitely, like, I feel like I need to just buy titanium exhaust, even though like it's super expensive. I feel like I'm missing something, you know? Like, don't get me wrong, it's super loud, but it could be way louder. Way too quick. It's actually sick. The problem too that it's so smooth, you can't even, like, it doesn't even feel like you're going fast. On the Hellcat though, bro, when you're going 50, you feel like you're going like 80. It's crazy. But that's what makes it so fun. Like, it's obviously not as smooth and fast. It's not as quick as this car, but it's still freaking lit, dude. Yeah, I think when I come back from Germany, I'm gonna order the exhaust and install it, because I know for a fact it's gonna be a huge difference. I just need, I'm just gonna do payments on it, because I don't need to pay it off instantly. Dude, that roar, dude, I don't understand how this car roars like that with stock exhaust. And like, every time you guys hear me say exhaust, I'm talking about the CATBACK aspect, not the cats. After the cats. Because obviously the cats are gone, but like the stock exhaust is still there. There's still a mid muffler and rear mufflers. Dude, oh my goodness. Dude, this area, this is why like I love this part of LA. It's just, dude, it's so beautiful here, bro. That's crazy. Dude, yeah, I'm buying a CATBACK for sure after Germany. Oh, I can't wait. I'm just getting excited because since it sounds so good right now, like it's gonna get better. It has to get better, you know what I mean? I just been procrastinating because it's just, dude, it's just so expensive. Like 5Gs just for exhaust, bro? Like, come on, dude. I'd rather buy some stock with that. Actually, I bought 5K worth of stocks and made $400 off of it. And not including dividends. I made money off dividends. That's actually including dividends. 400 including dividends. That's almost 10% in 3 months, bro. Like, come on, dude. Basically, boys, like if you invest into the super, like say S&P 500, if you invested last year before the like in the middle of the year, bro, you'd be up like about I think 5, 10, I think even more than 10%. That's why I'm saying like buying cars is cool, dude. But I knew I would lose money. I knew it wouldn't be like the best. Obviously, it's not the best decision, but you guys see what I'm doing. You guys see the videos I'm doing, and plus, there's more benefits than just pleasure. I don't want to say too much because you know what I mean. I have my whole life to rebound, so. Holy. Oh my gosh. This is my street right here. This is my street. Oh my gosh. Nah, CATBACK for sure. You know what's so sick too, boys? Like making these videos to me is such a blur because when I was in high school, bro, I was considered dumb. I mean, before I switched high schools, it wasn't as bad, but when I switched high schools, bro, it got really bad. But pretty much, dude, I was like, my whole life, people thought I was a failure. Like in fifth grade, before I actually got good at school, they were trying to give me like Adderall because I couldn't pay attention, and I still can't. Honestly, till this day, I still can't pay attention. But this job I have, bro, ADHD plays in my favor. I don't believe in ADHD. I believe it's a characteristic, but it honestly plays in my favor now. Gosh, I love this thing. I gotta give respect to the cops here because they've treated me well, and I've had no issues here. There's like only one motorcycle guy that's been done like weird things with my friends and my parents, but overall it's like that's it. There's always a bad apple, bro. We're all humans at the end of the day, bro. We're all imperfect. We all do things that like people hate. Just imagine no mid muffler, dude. Oh, I need to stop doing this to myself. I need to do it. Obviously, it's better to invest somewhere else, but it's whatever, dude. At least it's for the business, quote unquote. Dude, I love these pops, though. That's honestly all I care about. Once I make enough money where I don't care about the warranties or what if I break the whole transmission, once that day comes where I can just like rebuild the whole car without an issue, I'm gonna tune this thing so heavy and get like the most insane pops. Not like overextended pops where it pops for like a minute straight. I'm talking about like juicy, clean, same pops like this, but like way louder. I think you can actually do it. I was talking to a tuner, he was telling me you can do it. So, fudge, man, I gotta get it done. Dude, it's too smooth, bro. It's not as fun. When it's this smooth, it's not. Wait, is that a Hellcat? Oh, it is. It is a freaking Hellcat. Look how clean that is. Sheesh. Oh, dude, you already know about connecting with this Hellcat guy. Sheesh, dude. I hope this guy doesn't. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna meet this guy. Dude, Hellcats are so badass, dude. I don't regret it at all, dude. I remember, like, people always were hating when I had the Hellcat. Like, bro, you just don't know what the freak you're talking about, dude. Once you buy one, you freaking understand. Holy. Yo, that Hellcat goes crazy, though. The Hellcat goes crazy. Fudge, man. We're back in this spot where I got coffee. Oh, dude, this pops are just... I don't know how much I filmed. I always seem to like under film, but yeah, that Hellcat guy actually works in the same exact industry as me, which is dope. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if you want to be able to afford a car or a house, blue collar jobs are fat because most of them... Okay, hold on. Dude, that's crazy. Most of them, you don't need degrees. You just need to be able to work for like... You gotta join an apprenticeship for like 4 to 6 years. Those 4 to 6 years are gonna suck. But after, bro, I mean, they're gonna pay you for those years, so who cares? And then after, bro, that's where the money comes. So my advice would just be like, just keep taking opportunity. Like every single apprenticeship you hear about, like the one I've seen the most common in my field that people I've met are electricians. They all start like at 20, 21, no college degree, and they join an apprenticeship. And the whole point of an apprenticeship is to get people with no degree and train you up. So they pay you a little bit, but they grow like, especially if you join like a union shop, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, this car is beautiful, bro. But like I said, boys, invest your money. If you get a blue collar job, you join union, you start making like over 100 G's a year, buy a house or buy a rental property. I wouldn't, like, every time you guys hear me say about buy a house, I'm never talking about buying a house for myself. I don't want to live in a house just yet. I want to make some more dough on the side. So my goal is to get some properties that could bring me some like passive income. Dude. Way too quick.